everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Revolut in Ireland. This is a step-by-step guide. Just open your app and follow everything I say. First, download the Revolut app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, enter your mobile number. You'll receive a verification code. Type it in to continue. Next, create a strong password to protect your account. Then, verify your identity by uploading a valid ID, like your passport or driver's license, and take a selfie. Now, enter your full address and fill in your personal details. Once confirmed, you're ready to add money to your account. You can top up using a debit card, Apple Pay, or other available options. After topping up, you can use your balance to send or receive money instantly. You can also split bills with friends right inside the app. If you want a physical card, tap on the Cards tab and order one for delivery. You can also use a virtual card instantly for online payments. That's it. You're now ready to use Revolut in Ireland. If you have any questions or want another tutorial, feel free to comment below.